In this lesson, we'll learn how to solve two-step equations. First equation, negative 14 plus 3 times x equals 22. First thing is, we want to draw a line down the equal sign to remind us that we need to do equal operations on both sides of that line. We want to take the inverse of negative 14, which is plus 14, on both sides. 36 on the right side of the line, negative 14 plus 14 becomes 0. And now that cancels, and we bring down the rest of the equation, which is 3 times x. So we can look at this as 3 times what number equals 36? Well, you're probably saying 12, and you're correct, but let's do the next step to get 12. So divide by 3, because the inverse of 3 times x is to divide by 3 on both sides, and we're left with 1x equals 12. Number 2, 5x minus 4 equals 21. Draw the line, add 4 to both sides to get rid of the minus 4. We're left with 25 on the right side. Minus 4 plus 4 cancels, and bring down the rest of the equation, which is 5 times x. Let's divide by 5, because the inverse of multiplying 5 times x is to divide by 5. And we're left with 1x equals 5. Number 3, negative 5 equals x divided by 2 minus 4. Draw your line. First step is to get rid of the minus 4 by adding 4 to both sides. Minus 4 plus 4 cancels. Now, we have a negative 5 and a positive 4. So we need to think of scoreboard. We have team negative and team positive here. The 5 is on team negative, the 4 is on team positive. Of course, when you have two different teams, you subtract the numbers. You end up with 1. And team negative has the largest number in scoreboard, so team negative will be the sign of the 1, so negative 1. Bring down the x divided by 2. We know the inverse of division is to multiply by 2. These cancel. Negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. So x equals negative 2.